Well, I hope I didn't hurt my decoy. Might have got a dead bird. Well, there he is. He's a dandy. I called that dude in from up on that ridge over there. He come across the creek. Called 2 times on the other side of the creek. I just waited directly. I saw his big blue head over on this side. And he took forever to come all this way. And that decoy there, sure didn't expect him to go to that one. I had to glue her head on yesterday. And I'm gonna go get my truck and take him to the house. I always forget to do this. Bird was standing right here. There he is. And we're gonna walk towards where I was set up with my ghost blind. And you try to pick it out. I see it now. That thing's amazing.